Hello, what is your name?
My name is Natividad Lozano, ma'am.
How old are you?
39 years old, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many kids do you have?
3, ma'am.
How old are they?
9, 8, and 4, ma'am.
How long you been working in Hong Kong?
4 months, ma'am.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In Dubai, ma'am.
How many years?
1 year, ma'am.
Okay, and then?
And then 5 years in the Philippines, ma'am.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
4 months, ma'am.
Where's your employer living in?
Poco lang, ma'am.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,000 square feet, ma'am.
How many family member there?
5, ma'am.
How many children?
1, ma'am.
How old?
4 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock, ma'am, and then prepare for breakfast. And then at 6:40, my employer wakes up. I give her the breakfast. At 7 o'clock, she go to work. And then at 8 o'clock, the daughter wakes up also, and I give her the breakfast. And then after that, we play for a while, and then go down at 9 o'clock in the garden and play again there. And then 10 o'clock, we will go back and cook for lunch. And then 11, I will give the lunch for the daughter. And then at 11:45, we go down and send the daughter for the school. And then go back again at 12 o'clock. I will eat also lunch. And then after that, I clean the house. And I clean the house. I iron the clothes. And then at 3:40, I'm going to prepare again dinner. And then 4:20, I will go down and pick up the daughter. And then 5 o'clock, I will cook and prepare for dinner. And 6:30 in the evening, I will give the dinner. And then at 7 o'clock, I will wash the kitchen, the utensils in the kitchen. And then at 8 o'clock, I will again help the daughter to go to sleep.
Okay.
And then at 8:30, that if the daughter is already asleep, I can go to take a shower also. And at 9 o'clock, I go to sleep.
Okay, thank you so much.